Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between NinjaTrader or Bybit. And before starting this comparison video, I want to tell you one thing, and that is I won't tell you which application is better because both applications are great. They are very amazing to use, but they have some differences. So I will tell you which application fits you the best in today's video, and hopefully after seeing this video, you know exactly which one fits you the best. So let's start right here with the main focus on NinjaTrader. And the main focus on NinjaTrader is futures trading. So that is why NinjaTrader is a futures trading platform. If you look to Bybit, Bybit is a crypto exchange and it's more a derivatives trading platform. So keep that also in mind. If you look right here to NinjaTrader, NinjaTrader is the best for active futures traders and Bybit the best for crypto traders. Then if you look to the trading tools, NinjaTrader has a advanced charting, order flow and execution tools, where Bybit has a crypto futures, perpetuals and copy trading tools. If you look to the interface, NinjaTrader is clean and it's more like modular trading workstation, and Bybit is modern beginner-friendly trading station or platform. If you look to fees and trading costs, NinjaTrader depends on license and broker setup, and Bybit has a generally lower fees for active crypto traders. So let's be clear, if you are more a crypto trader, I recommend you to use Bybit, and if you want to trade futures, I recommend you to use NinjaTrader. Then if you look right here to my tip, so from my experiences, many traders use NinjaTrader for futures trading, order flow, scalping and active execution. And many traders use Bybit for crypto futures, leverage trading, perpetuals, contracts and copy trading. So hopefully after seeing this video, you know exactly which one you want to pick right now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.